All right. Empty spot. I don't think I need to do any more tuning. My props are pretty well beat up. Might be time for a new change, but I don't know. They seem to be holding up. We'll see. We'll see what we can do. See what we can do here. Lighting isn't optimal, but that's all right. I got a broken FPV camera. Good little save there. We're just looping everything. That's all we do. That's all we do around here is loop. Loop, yaw spin. Because what else can I do? I don't really feel like walking. You know? Pretty fun. Yep, this is getting a little rowdy. We're just holding on to it. Whoa, my hand slipped off the throttle there. That was a little scary. Woo. And that's the battery. Ooh, I killed her. Yo. Wasn't paying attention. Got too rowdy. Got a little too rowdy on the battery, bro. Oh, boy. That's it. That's all she needed. That's all she wrote. Bye.